Good morning, everybody. This is David from the Trader, and this is Marie. Yeah, let's see what opportunities we find in this market today. I'm a little bit late. I was doing a lot of things, so I got late. So, let's see what the market wants to do today. We are trading those Nvidia, PLTR. We are looking at the same thing like every day. Tesla, I was expecting Tesla to do a little bit better, but hey, it is what it is. Now I got the Nvidia short. So what about you, Marie? How are you doing? What are you trading?
Hello, I'm doing well. Beautiful Monday. Right now I've got a beautiful position in PDD. I took it at 125, pulled it back again. I had it, and right now I am over 10 hours.
Very cool.
So
Very cool
I
stuff.
am taking my next partial right there at the VWAP. Oh, no.
Oh, my bad. Go for it.
Thank you.
Here comes the money.
Here comes the money.
And very little share. And the other one is I've got a position with GD.
JD, yeah.
Yeah. Look at this. I love the imbalance when I saw PDD, and this is going kaboom.
Very nice stuff. Yeah.
Yeah. So at 130, I might take a double one,
It's
and there it is, and double one right there.
very cool stuff.
Here comes the money.
GD's not doing much. I don't want to leave that kind of money on the table. We're talking $4 in the money.
Mm-hmm.
So $4 in the money.
In PDD, yeah. Like
Now we're talking.
very cool stuff.
Thank you. We should go to 130 again. I don't see a whole lot of interest past that. It's so close to the VWAP, but the possibility. So, do I leave a little bit for the glory with the possibility of going pre-market at 141? Oh, I sounded like a horse.
You funny.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to go Tesla short right there. I went Tesla short, and
Market super strong.
yeah, I see Spice trying to go higher.
Incredible. Gonna be $5 in the money. $5 in the money.
Pretty cool.
Nice, nice, nice.
Pretty cool stuff. And
It is.
I have things to share with you. Zach and I were working a little bit during the weekend. It's Zach's thing, like what I'm gonna show you, but
Okay.
the value in there is that we can what we don't normally do. It still will light up in there. Like, I mean, it's like our strategy just gonna get reinforced by that.
I love those confirmations.
So
Holy cannoli. Glad I didn't come out completely. We are talking 132, people. 132 for PDD. What a tape. And 132 is still a ways from the pre-market high, but hey, I like the way it looks. So SPY here crossed the opening, but it had a little bit of resistance at 144.32, which that's one that I put down this morning. Another one as well that was quite heavy was 645. So we'll see what's going to happen there. $6 in the money. Well, come on, PDD.
that's not the Puff Daddy guy that is in jail. No? Okay.
Wow, this is beautiful. Love the RSI, love the volume candles. We are talking a spreading
Life.
AMD on PDD.
Back to reality.
Back to the here and now and then.
So, my friend Tesla,
Okay.
let's kick it out a little bit, 20% there. But Nvidia is the big guy.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Yala yala.
Nice.
AMD didn't
That's
catch
what
you
we're
on time.
talking. Okay, so JD, depending on what you're going to be doing there, I might be adding.
NVDA, I wasn't able to get it at the price I wanted, but I got it at the price it is, and like it's okay. Like I mean, it's still I survive, so and I will survive longer. Like this thing needs to go lower a bit, but that's my opinion. So if you see here, Mary, like this is a little bit of the work I have done previous you came here.
Okay.
Like before you arrived, I did like I only had time to do a couple, so I did Tesla, and that's why I am short on Tesla. And yeah, Tesla my target is 336. Sorry. On Nvidia is my target is around 75.70 or 75.80. So
Wow.
like this thing just made kaboom in my head. It's like it's just nice. It's freaking nice. So. But
It
as I
made
say,
kaboom in your head?
oh yeah, like
Can't wait to hear about
you know
those
when we go
kabooms.
through the breakthroughs, like as I say, this one was Zach who brought it to the table. Zach brought this to the table, and like it was just insane. Like when I went through that Sunday morning. So Tesla, I can be all out around there. Like I'm gonna be okay by being all out right there. It's like I mean, no, at the price it is now. At the price I have here, like I actually don't have. Yeah, it's okay. Let's let it breathe a bit and.
Let's go. You need to reprint 131. There it is. And
What is the tape saying on Tesla? Like 337. Yeah, if it doesn't bounce 337, like there is 1,000 lot on Tesla at 337, Marie. Like 1,500. You know, like for the price and everything, like that's a weird thing. We never seen that.
no,
No on Tesla.
right? Not. That's high price market shares, right? So
Yeah, so yeah, it's like quite of a big deal, I would say. So because of that, like I gonna be disciplined, and like that means I want to be all out at the price.
good coffee.
Nice that you like that. Man, if it doesn't hold 337, Zachary, ooh, you are there, my guy. You are there. Oh, today I am testing the things we were talking about. Like that's what I'm using for shorting Tesla, for shorting, and like because I have a way wider stop loss than what you use. Like I did a combination and it's working fantastic, man. Like if you look at those R's multiple, it's like of course I did some adjustments and everything. So, but freaking cool.
Good morning, Zach.
I gave you credits for it. I say it was Zach's thing, you know.
absolutely.
That's the first thing I say.
He said, yeah, that you guys worked on it this weekend. I love it. Are you going to get there? 132. $6.50 in the money. Woo! Let's go.
Oh my goodness.
Vámonos.
If Tesla doesn't hold 337, this is trouble for them. Like 337 is a very unusual size for Tesla. As I say,
Right.
337 is about 1,300 lot, 1,400 lot.
You're right there.
Let's wag it down a little bit more, and there we go. We're gonna take another half right there.
Let's go.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
So now I'm gonna be breaking even for Tesla, and if you keep printing, I'm gonna be happy. But the one that is printing very good, my guy, that one is Nvidia, because in there we have some sizes. But like, yeah, keep going down. Go down, my guy. You belong a little bit lower.
Spy re-entering the range, interacting with the VWAP, pulling back there. You need to reprint 131 now, or I'm gone.
Oh my goodness, Tesla, what
There you
happened
go.
to you?
I know, and I'm in it.
Ah, my guy, yeah, we are killing it.
Yeah, there's many people that miss PDD and they're kicking themselves. I said, I know.
Like,
I'm
what
in
are
it.
you doing, guys, in PDD? Salon?
Hmm?
PDD is long?
Oh yeah, I took it.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
good.
Ah! I took it up there, down there, and I'm going up there. I loved it. I loved the tape. I liked the VWAP. I liked the Arvol this morning. That, and the volume, close to top volume. Oh, I didn't look at Neo though. Darn.
Neo?
Yeah. Great volume and great Arvol for Neo. And I didn't look at it. I got caught up in PDD. But hey, when you get this kind of a trade, sure. But, sorry, Neo. Oh.
No, my watch keep track, but like, I don't know how to update. Like, I'm having trouble with this. Like, here, this is my sleeping thing. Like, the quality of my sleep. But like, I update it. Like, let's say I say load up the data. I will load up the data, but it doesn't sleep
You only slept 4 hours and
56. But that's late. That's what I mean. Like, it doesn't have the date. So I think that it doesn't record my sleeping unless I go here and I say like and I did that. That's why I think so. Like, I have to go here and say like I will sleep now, and then it will record it.
okay.
But it give you a score, and like there is a very specific way how to measure the quality of sleep.
Oh,
And my average is like very bad, very bad. I can show you. So that's why I say
you won't get a surprise face out of me. That's a
53 out of 100. So that's my quality of sleep. I say, oof, that's bad. I have to work on that.
That is very bad. That's very bad. Especially for somebody that's used to having perfect scores.
On sleeping?
No, on everything.
On sleeping, I think I never have good scores.
Okay, 132. Let's go. Let's go, Padidi. You cannot get, as Davy says, so close to the sun.
Without getting born.
Yeah. Let's go. Never gave me an opportunity to add. It just took off. Okay, yeah. Now we're talking. What? Wow. Hey, it's not doing
It's
it.
not working.
No. But that's okay. It's still popping. Oh, $7. Are you gonna give me 8? Are you kidding?
Okay. Nvidia is gonna get me out. Almost for sure. Pretty cool.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Very rangy, eh, for the market today?
Yeah, quite. Yeah, quite rangy.
Well, break even. That's a little ridiculous, eh? on this one. And it's still going. Like, no kidding, no words of a lie. I have such little shares. But it is still going.
Well, it's like what I'm doing on Tesla. It's like I am holding just for the fun of it,
You too?
but which actually are gonna refill the position. Why not?
Hey, why not? Oh, look at you. Look at you.
If I survive Nvidia, it's gonna be just by luck because, as I say, like that Nvidia really got me.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, really got me. Like I just chase it a lot, so. But I think the trade is still correct. It's just because of the price I have, I might not be able to survive. Because if he push back up, I think, let's see if the tape does confirm that. Yeah, if he goes back up, he can go another 80 cents against me. So that's why it's still okay. I think I'm gonna get the ad for Tesla. Like right there, I'm trying to add that blue line. Like now, that's there we go. I add to Tesla, and like yeah, no stress about Tesla anymore. I do have to watch out for Tesla because it might be a good long. So if it's a good long, I don't want to be against it. But for now, the market is not confirming that. The market is looking quite rangy, as Marie just said. Like we are just inside the 5-minute candle from the open. So, and that's very annoying, I would say, but at the same time, you cannot do much with that. So, so that's Tesla. Nvidia, I have been surviving Nvidia. So as I say, like not proud of that, but let's see if the market what the market wants it to do. Like it's like kind of giving away whatever from Jackson Hole's meeting on Thursday, was that?
Mm-hmm.
Or Friday? It was a big day. Oh, Friday was it? Friday, yeah.
Friday. Yep.
Yeah. So the VIX spiked up a bit after Friday. Like Friday went to 14.25 and now it's 14.83. So easy peasy.
Let's go.
I think I did PLTR too. Let's see where is PLTR. Yeah, I did PLTR. Oh yeah, PLTR.
Yeah, you're not going anywhere.
So I have an order to go long PLTR.
Wow. Not much. Nothing's moving crazy.
Mm-hmm.
But now I've got my filter by Arvo. Oh, INTC. 2460. But we know those can be 2450. Like 2450, the level on INTC at 2450, very clear. But it could definitely just be big enough that it's going to reject. And I know how many times did I pay 2450 or 2250 or not happening.
So I'm gonna move my stop loss on Nvidia, just specifically to be out. Like I'm gonna save in there if it does that. So that NVDA, I wanna be out if we make a higher high.
Reprint 132 now.
Right, I will be out anyways if he does that. So, like Tesla, I have to watch it. Yeah,
RSI
yeah, Tesla.
getting strong on SPY.
I'm just gonna show SPY because SPY is like really trapping the.
You saw that.
Pretty chopped
And
up.
look how small, right?
Yeah,
The range.
yeah. So PLTR, we're gonna be disciplined as much as we can. We're gonna just, and I can have a clear target of PLTR. That's a for sure. Oh yeah. Another 50 cents up. Nvidia got me out.
There's a 10 o'clock number.
I didn't check that, to be honest. So as I say, it's a matter of discipline, and like there is a reason why I size up so much, and the reason is because I want to be able to do this.
Nicely done.
Here comes the money. Money.
If you retest one more time, I want to go back in, and that will be the hotkey. Tesla, I think it's gonna keep going down a bit. If Tesla gets to 140, yeah, go for it. That's Marie.
Here comes the money. Money.
If Tesla gets to 140 one more time, I'm doubling it. There we go. It got there. So Tesla. Oh no! Yeah, I pressed the wrong thing. So if you made a mistake, what you do, you correct it. So, perfect. So Tesla, I have a order to fix it. My little brain fire. You know what? I'm gonna cancel the adjustment of the position on Tesla. Well, I have a heavy bid there that got pierced by a lot.
Mm-hmm.
But if it keep going up, I'm gonna be totally wrong in that. So what did Nvidia do? Okay. Okay, I have an order to go short on Nvidia one more time. That's the original price I want. The one is gonna go for it. There we go. I got NVDA. That should work. That NVDA. Let's see. For the work we did, NVIDIA is the one that works the worst.
Okay.
Yeah. And because of the behavior you hate about it, like it does so much fluctuation between small prices that it do that thing. So okay, so the problem I see here right now is I'm still, like, even if I am playing with big sizes, I am still running away from getting blocked. Like right now, I will get blocked there if I do execute things. Green, I will get blocked, but I will get blocked.
So you would get blocked right now.
Yeah. So that thing, I'm gonna have to talk to Bloody because in this scenario is wrong. With the other, it was helping me, but like now, because I am partially, because it makes sense partially,
Mm-hmm.
I should have it higher, but it's okay. That's a subject for another day. It's just that I am aware of that. Like, look
I
at
like
that
that.
trade on PLTR, like,
Wow.
and it's like, damn it, man, like, but I need to take some partial. You
Mhm.
do need to take some partial. But if I get blocked, it's gonna kill the trade on Tesla and it's gonna kill the trade on Nvidia, and those trades are big. Nvidia may not work, as I say, but like, we're gonna see. Man, I should have compromised the execution of one trade because of another. That's really breaking my head. Like that PLTR.
Because of the blocking?
Yeah, it's
Mhm.
as I say, under certain circumstances, I understand it. So, well, I did it. So if he blocked me, good for it. And
Good job making a call.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
definitely something I don't want to have tomorrow. It's not right. So Yeah, I should be.
Okay.
So that's a weekly one. If that's a
Let's
weekly
go.
one. Mm-hmm. That means I'm wrong on that one. Probably. But let's see. What is spy doing? Zach, I don't know if you are there, but if you are there, man, this is so interesting. Like when I was working on it, I look at Nvidia and I say, haha, I got you, Marie. Like I know why you hate so much
Nvidia?
Nvidia. Yeah.
Oh,
Like,
yay! You got me.
Okay. Now is that Tesla is at the point I wanted to add. So next time I will just correct it anyways. I didn't correct it and now I am taking the heat of it. If Tesla go above 342, I'm gonna be out,
Okay.
and Nvidia gonna have to do a little bit more than that for it to get me out. But in Nvidia, I am just following the plan. Like I am following the plan in all of them, but let's say the difference that in Tesla, because I have a bigger loss than what I want, and right now I like putting like a point where I say, okay, here I am totally wrong. That's at 342.
Okay.
Like because if he goes 342, he can go easy to 345, and like I don't even have that 345 there. Like I like Tesla above 342, in my opinion, will go to 368 in a matter of hours.
What?
Yeah, if he print about 342, he's just gonna go to 368.
Really?
Yeah, right now it's tricky, but it's working. So I'm gonna put just Tesla and Nvidia here. Those are the two that I need to really watch closer. PLTR, I have an order to reload it, but yeah, it's funny when you are trading. Like if you say something, you will type it. Like so, yeah, in Tesla because I have to watch for the 342. Nvidia because I want to see if it's re-entering here, like the 178, which I probably need to be out of Nvidia too soon, but let's see. So PLTR, we're gonna put it here, like yeah, that PLTR trade was a pretty cool trade. So hands on the wheels for Tesla, my guy. Hands on the wheels for Tesla. So I say the only wrong thing up to now on Tesla is that the ad I have. Like, I don't know why that button didn't do what it's supposed to do, because it was a smart router. I don't know how you call that thing.
Okay.
So like,
And it didn't get you a smart price?
no, it got me the price.
So
So
our keys are working differently.
no.
You want mine, I want yours.
Like, I think sometimes what happens is that like I am double clicking on the price because I have the time to double click. It's like, and when I double click, if I press something like another button, it erases the price.
Okay.
So because you are not looking at the price, because you understood that I already told you what was the price, you didn't see that it was, oh no, it's now, it's at this price. Okay, Nvidia, if Nvidia comes into the money, that's gonna be good, because Nvidia, like, I mean, like, as I say, it's the hardest one to gauge from the point that I am. Like, I am trying to probably reverse. Like, I am a little bit confused with Nvidia, but okay, Tesla is right there to do that thing. So yeah, Nvidia right here. I want to look at the tape on Nvidia. Yeah, very crowded tape in the selling. Let's see the 178.80. So NVDA 178.80 right here. This is buying right now. So if I will be looking long, the relative volume is a little bit high, so I have to watch out for that, because this thing can keep going higher, as I say. So Tesla is struggling between the 341 and the 342.
Okay.
We have print the high of the pre-market was 341.90.
SPY's having a really, really, really good reaction to the VWAP.
So I actually put the order on Nvidia. No, on Tesla to be all out. Like that, I don't make mistakes. It's gonna be painful, but I am expecting it to not get there.
So right now I'm expecting Intel to do quite a pop. So I took a little bite, then I loaded on the pullback. I even bettered my price. So we'll see what's going to go there, what's going to go on there. I walked away from PDD.
Yeah, that's bigger than what you want.
Though it seems to have a really good reaction right now. Ooh, yeah. Do I want to take a little bite of that? There's such an imbalance on PDD that I'm enjoying. I almost want to go back there, but
You know, I have got fries for PDD. Every time that I trade PDD, I get fries.
really?
Oh yeah. So we have Tesla here. We're gonna see Tesla getting me out if ever you do that. So as I say, that test is gonna be painful. Like, but I didn't know what was like. Well, I didn't know. Like, yeah, just the ad was wrong.
You added wrong.
Yeah, and like even when I add wrong, like even if I didn't add wrong, probably I will be stepping out. But like,
Okay.
I did add very wrong. So
Okay. So I like what's happening on the tape for INTC because more and more the big orders keep moving up. So it seems like they would like to buy at a higher price on INTC. I like that, and hey, I totally understand you people. How many times did I get fried by INTC for just a few pennies? So front running INTC is always a good idea.
Oy, oy.
Oh, it's true. You front run just a wee bit to get in, even if it's a little bit, and then you add if it's going to be pulling back. That's exactly what I did to not mix. Psh. And you better your price on the pullback if it does, because right now it's printing. Let's go. Boo. There we go. Let's go. I think I'm going to take my first partial at the opening at 25.50.
I like what I see at the 342 on Tesla, but I don't trust it. Let's see what it really wants to do.
You don't trust it?
No, like it's doing what I was expecting it to do.
Okay.
Like actually, like the price I get short on NVDA, like for Tesla, it will be that 342. But because he never offered it, I said, okay, it's okay. I'm gonna chase it a bit, and like it was a very small size. I was expecting it to go there, but then I partial, then I add, and then I add twice. So
Okay.
I see I add twice. That was the wrong thing. Like I mean, that. But like yeah. Look at my order. Like it's right there. It went by the penny. Like I have my order
I
at
hate those.
342.20. I love it because it didn't get me out this time. You know.
Yeah, that's true.
This
That's
was a
true.
good sample of it.
This was
Like,
a good sample. You're right. Nice. Look at mine, Davy.
You are up to something with those trend lines, like because like she doesn't draw trend lines the same way than I have seen people drawing them. So
You know where this is coming from for those trend lines?
from the book of
No.
the charting guy.
No. This comes from retail.
Okay, like when you were doing your
Retail management.
statistic
So-
and thing like that.
Statistics, and I remembered, and I think even us, we discussed it about that. The angles, like just to see if we are in an acceleration trend or a deceleration trend.
Mhm.
And when you do them like that, to see, hey, you know what, where would be. So I was doing that in my retail experience where I would say, okay, you know what, what's the trend right now on certain products?
And you get them, and then you,
And then when I would gauge a trend, and when the trend would flatten on these products, well, then I would change up our merchandising.
freaking cool.
And merchandising saying, hey, you know what, this is a trend right now for this. So then I would communicate that trend to everyone. Everybody would go on the trend really, really quick. And then I would monitor these trends. And when they would start getting flat, it's okay. It starts getting flat. Do you see this? Yes, we do see this. Okay. So what do we want to do? Do we want to reinforce and continue the trend? Or do we want to change because this is a new trend coming up?
Very cool.
So, and I started to do this with this, and hey, you know, and look, like
Yeah, it's dead on. Like
dead on.
like
If it's
I don't
an
know if you.
accelerating trend, it's dead on. I love it. I love it. I love it.
I don't know if you remember, but the guy from the book that you read on charting, like they say that the most reliable trends are about 45 degrees.
Okay.
I don't know. Like, it's funny that they have those numbers, but yeah, that's what they say. Zach, you have created a monster. Like, he was taking trades that he was making 17 hours on it. With his idea, like,
And he's created a monster with you? I like it.
yeah, like, as I said, like, I cannot do this with DAS because in DAS I cannot do this. Like, it's impossible. Like, but all right, we are back. Oh my goodness, Tesla is so good, so good. In PLTR, I have one that is even crazier. Like, this is a quarter. The blue one is a quarter level, and this blue one too.
So does your quarter level correspond to the how do we say reporting?
No,
No.
no, not those.
Okay. So this is where you're
So
popping.
what did I bought here? I bought on PLTR
Mm-hmm.
the bottom of the quarter.
What?
So that's why it worked.
Oh my God.
And like in a daily basis, when you touch it, it doesn't come back. So, like,
So this is something that you resonate well with.
well, like we have to make sure that we don't ignore the tape
Mm-hmm.
because what happened, like they don't work 100%. Like as I say, you see Nvidia.
You still see the grain of sand showing up in the daily, right?
Um,
And oh my goodness gracious.
what
Like
I found,
Larry
like
would say, oh Dios mío.
what I would say is that for Nvidia, I had prices that I wasn't able to attach to something, and like that was a little bit annoying.
Okay.
But at the same time, it's like yeah, what to do. Like, I mean, I don't know what to do with that. So, but yeah, there were prices that I don't know what to attach to it.
Okay. Okay. Holy smoky.
SPY is looking a little bit crappy, and like I mean, I have a
Say it again, so that it pops.
no, like I want to show you here, but I didn't see it. Like now is that I am realizing about this.
Okay.
Look at this. What do you see there behind? Like, do you see like a little green dots here?
Oh God, yes, super light,
And
light,
look at the
light,
other
light,
here.
light. Yeah, I definitely would need glasses to manage that one.
Yeah. So SPY is trapping between those two guys, and yeah, I don't know why, but and like what I do when that happen, because that can happen with a long perspective or with a short perspective, and
Okay.
right now it's trapped with a short perspective, so I'm gonna keep my shorts. I will keep my shorts. It's very sunny outside, so. Wow, that was a bad joke.
It's a beautiful day.
Back to life.
Oh, I like what you did there.
Back to reality.
RSI.
And it's funny because things have like relatively high volume,
Mm-hmm.
most of the things. So
The coffee was so good, it's babayla.
it wasn't that good. It took you an hour.
No, I went to get it back again, and it's like, oh yeah, I finished it. Damn it.
Oh, you repeat the coffee?
Eh?
You did take my coffee?
No.
No, okay.
I said I finished it
Gotcha.
a while back,
Mhm.
and then I'm like, oh, I want more coffee, and it's like, oh yeah, don't, darn, you finished it. Mm-hmm.
Say, so I have a short perspective here for the market. I say Tesla did react to the level I say by the penny. So, and I am short on Tesla. Yes, I have a bad price. I have a horrible price. So, but Tesla is not looking short. So, I have good volume. Nvidia, yes, Nvidia is gonna tank in a couple minutes. Yeah, Nvidia is looking really weird. I have hopes on Nvidia, but I don't have hopes on Tesla. And my problem with Tesla is that because I am too aggressive, I'm gonna take a bigger loss than what I want to take.
Mm.
But if the volume is not going to be there for Tesla to go to 468, well, it can go like 346 anyways. 345 it can go. So, what do I do? Patient, alright, patient. Okay. Stopping topping in there for sure.
Okay, so
What is your take on on Tesla, on SPY?
it seems like it's consolidating to pop off.
Toward the highs?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Your move is a little volume there. But like, yeah, you listen better. Like you probably are reading the tape, I am not. But the volume is, even the volume is in favor in SPY toward the short. So,
Yeah, I should pop off to you up. Now we are talking.
Let's see what is the ADD doing. ADD quite low. So, like the actual ADD is minus 537.
Okay.
So, here comes the money.
Money, money.
Shala, shala. I gonna listen to myself.
SPY's making higher lows.
Yeah, but unless my chart is wrong, Marie. Like this is like, unless my chart is wrong, this is a matter of who gonna do it first. Like whoever push the button first. And I will say sellers anyway, so it's like I have zero stress about that one.
Okay.
Minus freaking Tesla. And here we can show you the choppiness of a SPY.
So you've got the last three volume candles are buyers. For SPY. So we'll see. So at that pullback, if it doesn't pop, Davey, your short's in play at 644. If it doesn't pop, you're good to go.
Para bailar la bamba, para bailar la bamba se necesita una poca de gracia. Una poca de gracia de mí, por ti seré, por ti seré. Ta, 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 ta. Ba, ba, bam, ba. Yeah, it's I know it's like I'm guessing, like I mean, like anything can happen, as I say, like on the market, it's impossible to really predict the market. You can be right here and there, but like I'm putting my odds in the shorts because it looks like shorts. But probably it is so choppy and kind of flat-ish that even if the buyer is stepping heavy enough, it will be like a big push up toward the upside. Indicators wise, we are just going down.
Let's go.
Like there is a major level at 178.80 for Nvidia, yeah. It is holding it quite well, so and Tesla, the 142, as I say, I like because it did react the way I was expecting it. Right now it's building a top that if the volume doesn't come in, that top is gonna fall in its own for Tesla. But like really, I can probably dream about getting out at the bottom of the opening range.
Okay.
But if a SPY doesn't change its conditions, this thing is not gonna go anywhere.
Okay.
Okay, Nvidia breaking through. That's dangerous, my guy. That's very dangerous.
Okay. So SPY is respecting my lines. Look. The walk.
Yeah. Pretty cool stuff.
Pops. Okay, so you should be able to get at 2550. Like INTC, what I like about it is the 2550 is the biggest position, and that's the opening price at 9:30. So should we, like, we're talking very probable that it would get there. So the 644.32 and 644.30 about has been a resistance this morning, so we will see what SPY does with it. It seems to want to chomp it and go through it. It is chomping it up.
Ba, 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 ba.
Okay, so it did not make a higher local, but it's going to make it right there. Let's go. Yep. Okay, we've got acceleration. How's your PLTR for the long? It must be going well.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, let's go. Okay, if you're going through that, yes. Go through the other trend. So 2530 is going to be a pop for INTC. I'm expecting it. So let's go. Chomp, chomp, and go for the 50.
Nvidia, I decided to add a little bit more risk because my stop loss was 180.75. Right now it's 190.75 was my stop loss. Right now my stop loss is 180.17, which it doesn't have to be 17. It could be even less than that. Yeah, it definitely could be less than that. You shouldn't go to 80s or maximum 80s. I even have a line there, so if you ask me what I'm exercising is staying hooked to the trade in that matter.
Okay.
Like I don't want to be out for 25 cents on Nvidia and then willing to be retaking the trade at that price, like at those 25 cents. Because if you wake it, then I might not be able to get 25 cents better. So
It's at a critical point here.
So staying hooked to that trade is very important. Though I could get a better price, that's for sure. Like a SPY have been making me grow impatient, man. Like really, like I mean, like really Donald Trump and like You get distracted a bit, then it just smoke you very bad.
Right?
So I unfortunately didn't have time to do A&D, though A&D like I kind of knew that A&D was a short at the open because of the way it was looking, like very far from those moving average, like in a tanking mode. But like at the end, it's you do what you can do. So as I said, like for the ideas we are testing and things like that, I didn't have the time to work on it. Ba ba bum ba. If I liquidate right there, I will be flat for the day. But like the actual P&L is
Will you
green.
be blocked?
I don't know why that thing haven't blocked me, but like probably I did a mistake when I readjusted this morning. But yeah, so like what is my question normally when I am holding a trade like that? And are you still considering the trade valid or not? And if the answer is yes, I just try to hold it. And like for me, it's a yes. Like did the SPY invalidate or Nasdaq did that invalidate all the things that you have? No, really no. Like we are holding on the choppiness of
Ooh,
it. But
you're short, Davey. Again in the range, eh?
yeah, that's why I say maybe for Tesla, I really gonna have to take the 337 or 336.50 and just walk away with that. And I should be putting an order there if I really want to be out of that. Did you see if we had any numbers coming out today, or we don't have any
Yeah,
numbers?
so we did have some inventory numbers
Mm-hmm.
that came out, and they came out in home inventory. It was a little bit higher,
Mm-hmm.
and that was it. And it didn't move the market.
Yeah, it was up by a little bit, like just 200,000 something. 200,000, 220,000 more than what was expected. Wildfire updates. Let's see what is going on with that. Oh yeah, you want me to go through that whole list? I don't have that time. Oh, 55.68 PLTR. So I have an order to be all out on PLTR.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so SPY is finally making a local lower low. Are you still printing?
Yeah, it's going good. As I say, I have an order to be allowed on PLTR. I just want to see, like I was looking at the SPY, but as I say, PLTR is it's gonna do a little high there probably, but
Well, I'm permitting myself to be a little bit loose here, which do I really want to? Where I really want to take my partial at 40, but it's been a slow glide.
go for it. It is right there. You have buyers right below you, so like.
So Elon Musk is suing Apple and OpenAI.
For what?
But I think it's for using stuff that he's invented. Let's go. You're right there. You're right there. Let me take it. And there we go.
Here we
Here
go.
comes the money, 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 money.
Okay. Next up, 25.50, which is the open. We do have enough to get to 26, but really, yeah, you know what? I might take a double partial and leave the rest for the glory. Wow, SPY, eh?
You have a whole lot there. Plus.
Super accelerating trend with SPY. Again, though, in that crazy, crazy range. Trend accelerating or NTC. So what are we looking at here, Davey? Talk to me.
I'm waiting for Nvidia to print 80, 180. PLTI, I'm waiting for it to get me out. I have my all out.
Okay.
And Tesla is not doing much. And just testing my patience. Like,
Friday's a big day.
Is it triple witching?
And they didn't say triple witching, but a lot of numbers are going to be coming out. Michigan consumer sentiment.
Non-farm payroll.
Uh,
Those two comes together.
well,
So I'm gonna get myself out of PLTR. I am being too picky with that one.
good job.
We will see, Marie. We will see.
Good
That's why we
job.
are exercising here. So,
I like it.
I should be going short from around there, but I am not because I have the other shorts that are hurting my confidence. Like Tesla react to it. Nvidia react to it because I say Nvidia shouldn't be printing say 80. Nvidia should be like just like 90 something and then like no 180. But if you go to 180, it's okay too. But if you get me out, like I will be wrong for like it's for sure that it's like I stretch it too much, I push it too much. But Tesla, after you print the level, it have been staying under the water there, and like what is happening with Tesla is that if it doesn't print higher high soon, people are gonna realize that the top is becoming heavy. Like you see that line here, like you see how long it is compared to the rest of the thing. Like look at that.
Oh yeah,
That's too heavy. So that's the type of top that will fall on its own. But it will take some time, that's for sure. So, and yeah, let's see. That's actually I'm gonna stay nimble there if you get me out. It's okay. It's okay. So, Spy really trying to make it look funny.
Such a rangy little meep. Let's go.
Por un caminito yo te fui a buscar, muy lejos caminé, al fin yo te encontré. Muy lejos caminé, al fin yo te encontré. Hoy me siento muy feliz porque estoy junto a ti. Nunca te olvides que eres para mí. Todas las veces que en mi camino pasé. Desde que te amé. So I'm gonna take a little walk, so we're gonna be back in a bit. Right, we are back. I had to reset this thing. It's not true. I'm taking the. That's no. That was just a mistake.
So right now, what I'm doing is just I'm putting on some levels, trades that took off, or that to see if I can see any imbalances
Mm-hmm.
that would be interesting to go in. And if I don't see any interesting imbalance, or trades with a good range or a reasonable possible pop, I'm just putting on some.
Nvidia probably 184 or something. What a crazy thing. You have any trade like PDD or anything? Not yet. No.
No, I got out of them. They're not. How do we say? Ready
Mm-hmm.
to take.
Ready for it?
Mhm. They're not ready for me. I'm not ready for them.
You are not ready for me. You are not ready for them.
Incroyable, Nvidia, what the?
Yeah, like
Okay. Well, you're going to be interesting then. You might be coming and watch for me. I like what I'm seeing there. So it's going to go to 50 and pull back. Oh! Look at that.
that's the company I gave the ticket to everybody when it was at $24.
Wow.
That's the competition for Starlink. Look, you remember I say they have I think it's like a 300 million deal, something like that, because they build like a type of satellite that is different than what Neuralink,
Oh,
Starlink is doing. I'm like,
well, obviously it's liking it.
yeah, pretty cool stuff. Like that stock probably gonna hit $100 at some point. And here I am, fighting with Tesla.
Mhm.
But in Tesla, I feel okay. Like, I mean, yes, I didn't, like, that was, the software blocked me and, like, got me out. I changed it. Like, I didn't change the main blocking, but, like, I did change the blocking there because
Okay.
it's incorrect. I'm gonna forget about Nvidia because Nvidia is on its own, and I don't want to be more wrong on it than what I have already been. PLTR, I think that's the right price to short, so I did short that price. So I could be more picky on the price for PLTR because it is still holding okay there. So I'll be back. Just give me a second. Right, we're back. So. I'm going to do the same thing with Tesla, so it's the same trade I had previously, so I'm just gonna drop off an order there. If we make a higher high, I'm gonna be happy with being out, so it's gonna be a red tray. And
So Tesla, are you going long?
no, I have a short and I am
At
willing to.
342?
I have a short at 346, at 340 with 6 cents, and I'm considering myself wrong if ever you print a higher high, and it's about to make it right now. So
Yeah,
it's
342 is huge.
gonna have to be
Obviously,
careful now.
it's feeding SPY. But 342 is pretty big. It could be the reversal there. But are you able to survive 342?
Yes. If it's 342 by the penny, yes.
$342 is on deck. Oh. You just moved from 342 to 340, but we'll see.
Yeah, that will be downside. So
Oh, moved it back to 342.
$342, 1,000 lot on the selling.
Mm-hmm.
You remember about the rangy part that I said? That's why I'm not very optimistic about Tesla.
Okay.
Like if I can get 337 as a out, I will be so happy. That will be it. But yeah, like as I say, my trade stand correct until stay correct until it really print above one, like 342. And like I don't know how to analyze that for the future, but like the good prices were the good prices no matter what. Like so I'm still right as I say. It's just a matter of patience. It's just
342 could be too big.
yeah, but remember that because that's why I said
It's reducing its size. It's realizing it.
like the 337 was 1,400, 1,000, almost 500.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why it's like it's a bit tricky there, but
Reducing its size, reducing its size, reducing its size. On both tapes.
who's talking to me?
342, reducing both tape size, so let's see. Wow, they have their hands on the trigger for sure.
Vlad is saying like heads up, the jalapenos are very spicy.
Me gusta. Okay, 342. Pumping its size.
Tesla making higher highs very soon.
It shouldn't make a higher high though.
The problem is that it had that size, like the size, that big size that you're seeing,
Mm-hmm.
and it is going higher. So that means it wants to go for it. So
But as funny as it is now, it's pumping it up to 342.
yeah, like there we go. Like,
But
there we go,
and there
342.
it is.
Yeah, I got out. Why do I have? Hijo de tu mamá.
Mhm. The offer's being pulled. At least on mine yet.
I got out. By mistake, I add in there instead of removing. That was not the right thing to do. So
We're
NVDA.
looking for SPY, a possible rejection of the PCL. We will see. Bids being pulled for, the ask is being pulled for Tesla. How can we still have that many people?
Which one?
PDD.
So I'm gonna reload Tesla but with a fraction of what I had. So, like as I say, I know I was having too many shares of Tesla. So like that's why I was taking a lot of heat in there. So there we go.
Okay, well, you know what? PDD is going to take off. But there could be a rejection of the VWAP there. And I don't want to give any of my profit away. That was such a beautiful trade there. PDD got it right there at the open. So INTC reacting well to there. Let's put that level there. Because they'll serve for tomorrow. And mi compatriota is considering Tesla. Short at what level, David?
I went short at 342.60. But as I say, it's a fraction of what I had. Like it just make no sense to take more shares than that. So, which I did previously, but by mistake.
So you're still looking at short on Tesla?
Yeah.
What do you see on the tape for you to go short?
Well, it can go to 45. But in there, I can add a little bit more if ever you get there.
Okay.
But yeah, let's see. Yeah, like I might be wrong, you know. Like I there's a high chance I could be wrong. I stay anchored to the opening thing while SPY right now is, which is quite annoying because SPY is doing like super slow, but it's going higher and higher. But like slow. So yeah, let's see.
A little bit of consolidation at 645 for SPY.
Like if you look at Nasdaq, like Nasdaq is quite strong actually. Like
Yeah. Like SPY?
no, like a SPY is not, it doesn't have the strength on Nasdaq, but like
Well, SPY has been going up now since what, 1050?
yeah, but Nasdaq did it way better, way more clean. Like if you see inside the range here, it did like this, but look at SPY, like that, trading there for such a long time.
Okay.
Like
So
now,
you're saying that the consolidation on SPY is longer.
yeah, exactly.
Wouldn't that mean though that it's more reliable?
Well, now that we know it, yeah, it will like now that we like that we have taken aside, yes, it will be better.
I like what we're seeing here. So on Tesla, so we're gonna see the 342.80 what it's going to do. Yeah, we don't want to have a higher high here for Tesla. Why are you laughing?
Because like there is a huge possible move on Tesla, and
Oh, I like. But man, is it strong today?
yeah, that's why I like. One of the reasons why I laugh is because like let's say if I go with a few like a little shares, as I say, toward the upside,
Mm-hmm.
and that move manifest, it will be a huge move.
No kidding, it's $8.
And I am going short. So and that's why I say like technically at the 342 I should be able to go long if I believe on it. But SPY is the one that doesn't let me trust the
I
long.
like that. 645. That was a good pullback for SPY. But still a very strong RSI for SPY. Eesh.
Oof, Tesla 343.
Significant position at 45, but nothing between. 345. Oof. 8 to 344, like nothing.
Yeltsin got me out. In Tesla, I should be adding, but to be out for real, like because when it hit 345, that 345 I wanted to be respected by the penny pretty much. But so if I get it at 344, that would make it a difference of about $2, so it will be 333. And that.
Yeah, I'd add at 344, then you add at. If it pops at 345.
So as I say, I have another two other, but like that's it.
What, at 344?
Yeah, if that doesn't work, I'm gonna have to step away.
Did you want to review your trades?
Yeah, just give me a second.
Okay. Acceleration.
Mm-hmm.
What's going on?
Let's shake by PLTR. And like I'm trying to regain the trade, but it's not looking like it's gonna be coming back again. So I literally got shaken by that stupid thing. So because it appears I'm gonna try to see. That's
You were long?
I was short 55.86.
Do you still have Tesla?
No, I'm trying to add on Tesla at the
Okay.
344.94.
So that's a yes.
Yes, I have Tesla. There we go. I'm gonna get the ad on Tesla. So the debate they have right now, and I think, okay, I got the Tesla, and it's flying. If that trade on Tesla is wrong, I'm gonna walk away. Like if I see printing way too high above 345, I'm just gonna walk away. And yeah, like if I start looking for long now, I'm gonna do the harakiri to myself in that one because
You're gonna do a what?
my bad.
A what? An Hello Kitty?
Harakiri. I don't know how you say that in English. Should be the same harakiri. So, and like it will be very dumb for me to look for long right now.
In Tesla?
In anything, Tesla, PLTR, even like Nvidia, I had a level at 184, and like it's kind of suggesting like you want to go long on Nvidia at 180 to go to 184, but I have such a little trust that right now, like if I am taking that, I'm taking it on the top. So I like, and I think Sharif is a little bit like this in the matter that it's like I don't like buying tops because I have like let's say the short haven't worked and I push it too much while it was going higher, but now that I will flip, it will be the time for it to go down. So I will be flipping exactly at the wrong time. And then I will say like, oh, like for example, look at PLTR. Like yes, Nvidia I was wrong for good, and Tesla in Tesla I wasn't wrong for good. In Tesla I was just not patient enough.
Okay.
So, but in PLTR here, look at the candle that got me out. That's a 1 minute candle. You got me out right there. But to this one, because I already gave a little bit more room to Nvidia, I say I am not giving room to it. If you get me out, you get me out. Now it got me out, and now I'm trying to
And
get.
now you're printing.
No, I'm not printing. I'm trying to get back the same price. I might be printing on Tesla soon, but like that's a I might be. We're gonna see if it really goes there or not. And like the order I put on PLTR, I was putting the order with the tape. Like there was a guy at 156.75. And I backrun it, putting my order at 156.78. And Tesla seems like if you want to go higher, so let's see.
$346 is a very historical resistance.
Yeah, like that's the point I say if it goes above. Like I will be very wrong. So I'm gonna go half of the size on PLTR, and Let's see if he wants to go back in there. If you go back in there, which was once 56.75, 75. If he goes back in there, I will add, and that will be this key. But it's probably not gonna get there. Like the way it's looking like, it's just annoyed that I
So
got shaken out.
You're in PLTR. You're short.
Yeah, I'm short. As I say, it's like my head was saying look for the long now, my guy. But then I look at the chart and I say, why would I be looking long when we are at a possible top?
Mm-hmm.
Like, yes, the market is going higher, but did you really see a SPY going higher? Like look at this. This is the 1 minute. This is NVIDIA. So this is the 1 minute on a SPY. Look at the choppiness that we experienced here for such a long time. But like this is a 200 moving average here. Like that's what I keep talking about. 200 moving average here. Like you see, that's in the 1 minute. Look what happened when we go to the 5 minute. Right on top there. It was going up, acting as a resistance. Now the moving average is flattening and it's still acting as a resistance. So if a SPY go down, it doesn't have to go down a lot, you know? Like, but yeah,
Making lower lows.
in general, for like what I meant by not flipping, like I went short and I pushed it too much because hey, sometimes I am off that much. So but I don't want to buy tops, so I prefer to be killed trying to get the right trade at the right price than trying to chase something, though I chase a lot of things when we were going down. So yeah, that's it for to me. I'm gonna walk you through my trades. Marie did very good today, I think too. Well, too, I didn't do that good. Marie did very good today. Like I'm red now, not a big deal. Like at some point it's probably gonna come back. But I'm gonna have to be right for that to be working. Yeah, so I took a good trade on Tesla, and like I ramp up the size a lot today, and the reason why I did that is because I want to be taking more partials. But if I take more partials and I have a good price, I have to be breaking even. That seems to not be negotiable with bigger sizes. So here I went short, partial, add to the short, took a loss. Then I shorted again. Like that was when the software got me out on its own. Shorted again, took another loss. Shorted again, add to the short right here, and this is my last short for that short. Like I mean, if this is not a short from there, it's not a short. And it doesn't look like a short, you know. Like watch it out, like carefully. Like I have been very hard-headed here, just because the trade worked at the beginning. So like I'm not saying that it was only because of that, but the trade did work at the beginning here. Like this is profits. So because it did work, I decided to didn't like break even. I am like fixated to short.
Mm-hmm.
And I have been saying, if this thing trade above 346, hold on, because it's gonna be funny whatever it's gonna do from there. So toward the loan. So that's for Tesla. As I say, really poor management here. When we take PLTR, that was a beautiful trade. That was very good. Here I'm not blaming myself too much because yeah, I did very good on the long.
Very, very good.
So this is a long here, partial.
Oh, look at you with your partials.
Oh, and here I came all out. Yeah, that was all out. And then I shorted again, took a loss. And I think I'm right. And like that just waked me out here. It's so common that happens. So I was trying to get that price again and I couldn't. So what I did, this is 50% of the position. If you go back in there, I am adding, like if it goes to 56.75, I will be adding whatever the other half. But yeah, it haven't been easy at all. Like the long yes was easy, the short
Not
I
so
was too hard-headed. NVIDIA here, like as I say, this another one like really pumping up, which I really don't get. So I went short, took a loss, short, took a loss, and I say I'm gonna leave you quiet.
Good job walking away.
Yeah, I gave her more room here because actually my stop loss was around here. And like I say, you know what? I don't want to be stop out by mistake. So I stop out, but it wasn't by mistake. It was stop out because I was wrong. So I'm going higher now. So, but yeah. So, as I say, I'm red. Like, I really ramp up the sizes and like the bigger loss. Like it's gonna be a big loss, but like I did that on purpose because I need to see how much money I'm able to keep by playing with those bigger sizes. So but as I say, the breaking even, like, the only reason why I'm no more red today is because I took partial on Tesla going down. Yeah, this was partial.
Oh, nice.
In PLTR I did good. I took partial. It was
That
just
was beautiful.
like it was just Nvidia, PLTR hard. No, actually, Tesla was the problem. That's what I mean, because I am recalculating my size, like the share size I want to play with. In here, I shorted with the X amount of shares. Then I add here, and this size and that size is what I now have with those two, which is okay. But when it can, when it keep popping up, and I add, that was too many shares. That was like when we come here, I had double here than what I short here. So and that double make me took a way bigger loss than what I want. But if you see here, this is Tesla. That's why the loss is too big. The share size was totally wrong. So, yeah, so that's it for me. As I say, I'm red, very red today. So, we're gonna keep looking at that and finding the right spot. The proportion, I kept them to be the same. The only thing that I cheat today on it is that I removed the blocking. And that could be a mistake, but we're gonna see. Like I will see through the weeks if that was a mistake or not. And yeah, it could be a mistake because I was top out for nothing. Like it was a small loss. I just made it worse. So, which like if you see, I was very confused because I wasn't able to execute properly because it was going to get me blocked. But now I'm taking like triple the loss. Then I say like, okay, did I really do the right thing by removing it? And probably the answer to that is say no, but we're gonna see. So what about you, Marie? What did you do? PDD?
Yeah, so I took 3 trades. So my first one was PDD. So I took PDD at 125 and it went up. It pulled back again at the 125.
Holy crap, that was a good.
And then I said, well, you know what? At 125, should see if it goes back up again at 125. I'm going to add right there. So I maintained the 125 through the trades. I took my first partial. I wanted to take it 27, but I wasn't quick enough. I didn't put in the order. So it was 126.95. Then I took another partial that it was at 129. I took another partial at 130, and I took another partial at 132.50, which was great. When it pulled back, I added again, and I got right out of the trade because I didn't like its reaction. I didn't like the tape. I didn't like the reaction. I didn't like the MACDs reversing and the RSI. So I came completely out of the trade at a 129. So really, really good trade. That was a 10R, easy. So then I took JD. So JD, I took it at 32.28. I added at 32.20, and it was just going, 32.40, 32.20, 32.30, 32. So I said, you know what? I don't like what it's doing right now. The tape was saying it was going to lose the view up. I walked away from JD. Then the last one that I took was INTC. So INTC was really pulling back, but I liked the reaction that it had at the PCL, which was 2480. So I said, okay, if you go back through the PCL, it went back to 25. It pulled back, but it did not make a lower low right there, right at 25. So it went back down to 25.60, but it did not make a low low. It stopped at 75. So I said, okay, what are you going to do at the VWAP? So wick the VWAP, it pulled back down, did not make a lower low there. I added at the 50 EMA. Then I added at the 200 EMA. I took my first partial at 25.50. I took my second partial at 25.40. And I took a third partial at 24.37. Came all out of the trade at 25.30. So left a little bit because I said 25.50 was going to be the max of that trade. I could have waited a little bit and kept some there. I decided to come all out. So INTC was a 5-hour trade.
Pretty cool.
So today is a oh, it's a nice.
Nice.
Yeah, so it's about 15, it's about 14 hours, so I'm happy. JD was it was almost a break-even loss, so yeah, I'm happy with the trading today. It seems now that if I'm looking at SPY, we know that 646 is a very, very heavy resistance, 645 now, and 645.30 is the PCL, or very close to it. I like what it's doing at 645 for the shorts. So it seems to have hit a little bit of a there. So
Cool.
let's hope it's going to work out, but I have no trades.
Understood. Okay, yeah, so that's it for today. I hope everybody have fun. Yeah, we're gonna be here tomorrow. Have a good one, everybody.
Bye.